Hello, this is Jamie from Crewe SEAT. We're delighted to be able to offer you this stunning used Mini Cooper hatch. This vehicle comes with a 1.5 litre petrol engine and features the manual transmission. Into the boot now, we can see that there is enough room for 2 small suitcases, some of your weekly shopping, and the rear seats are fully foldable. This particular model sits on these gorgeous gloss black John Cooper Works track spoke design 17-inch alloy wheels, while at the front of the car we have the stylish looking oval headlights along with the aggressive looking John Cooper Works lower bumper design. Moving inside to the rear of the vehicle, we have the half leather half Alcantara seats on offer. And into the front we have the stunning dashboard on display, which features the gloss black inlays along with the chrome interior door handles and the John Cooper Works front sports bucket seats, which provide for an incredibly comfortable journey. Here we can focus on the leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel for access to features such as the cruise control with the car's analog dials just above. Into the centre we have the multimedia system for features such as radio, where you can select your favourite radio station. Alternatively, you can choose to connect your own Bluetooth device. Bluetooth can also be utilised to make and receive calls hands-free. Just below we have the simple to use climate control system along with the drive mode select, which allows the driver to choose between a range of driving modes, taking full advantage of the vehicle's capabilities. And finally we have the 6-speed leather manual gear shifter. For any more information regarding this used Mini Cooper hatch, please contact our sales team.